Hello everyone, so today we will be doing Leetcode problem 208, that is implement trie, which is a prefix tree. So a trie or a prefix tree is a tree data structure used to efficiently store and retrieve keys in a dataset of strings. There are various applications of this data structure such as autocomplete and spell checker. So we are given trie which initializes the trie object, and we have to do insert which inserts the string word into the trie. We have got a search which will return true if that string is present in the trie. That is, it must have been inserted before, otherwise we will just return false. Then we have got another boolean that is starts with, which returns true if there is previously inserted string word that has prefix. uh, that has prefix, like the prefix here here and we will return false otherwise. So it has given an example, that is input. In it has given like we have got try, so it just creates one, and then we have got insert, it inserts the apple, then it searches the apple. That is the reason why it is true here. Then we have like we are again doing a search, but this time we are doing app, but we have not inserted app, we just have apple, so it returns a false here. Now we have got another one that is starts with, now apple does start with app, so it is true here. Now we have got to insert, and in insert we have now inserted app. Now in search, when we would search app, it would come true. So yeah, that that is pretty much it about the description. Now let's jump over and see how we can do this. So we are given to implement a trie with insert, search, and starts with functionality. So what we can do is, we will have a root node and we will start inserting in the child nodes. So if we are having to insert apple, we will insert it like this. We will insert A, then we will have another child node to insert P, then another one to insert another P, then L, then E. So we will in the end keep track of our end character. So we would keep track of the end character because that will help us with the search of the these letters. So another, like when we do like when we will do our starts with, we will check, we will do the same process like when we do our search, like this is what we will do in our insert. Then when we do our search, we will search if A exists in our hash map whatever we have created, if P exists there, if another P exists there, like continuously, and till we reach the end of the character, that is E, like we will be storing our end of character in a variable. So we will search it by in this way. And even with the start with function, so let it be if it starts with app, so we will check the first three characters, and if we are getting the first three characters, we would just say that true if the first three characters are the same. So yeah, so that would be pretty much it about uh, doing the try. So let's jump onto code and understand it more. So we will first write our class, that is try node. We will have children nodes, and we will also keep track of our end character, and initially we will set it to false. Then in here we will have our root, we will create our root, that is try node. In our insert, so for the insert we will create current is self.root. Then we will iterate through every character in word, and we will check if C not in cur.children, then we will add it in cur.children. So we will create try node, and if it is already there we would just pass it. So that would be cur.children C, and in the end we will just keep a count, like we will just mark our end character to true. So that would be cur dot end char equals to true. So that will be insert. Now let's write our search. That would be cur is self dot root. Then for every character in word we will search if C not in cur dot children, then we will just return false if it is not there, else we will just iterate through. So it will be cur.children C, and in the end we will return our end character. So for starts with, it would be cur self dot root. Then for every character in prefix, if C not in cur dot children, if it is not there we would be returning false. If not, we would be just moving till the end of our prefix. So that would be cur dot children C, and in the end if we don't find, we will just return true. So let's run this to see if we have got any errors in the code. So our test case got accepted. Let's submit it. So this would be pretty much about try. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.